Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make rava ladoo in Hamari style. These are usually made during festivals. Wow! It tastes awesome. It's a famous Indian sweet made with rava, sugar, ghee, cashew and raisins. It is also known as a suji ladoo in other states of India. So let's start. For making this we have taken 1 cup of rava or suji. Now take ghee in a pan. Once ghee heat up, add rava or suji into it. Mix well. And roast the rava for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Keep mixing to avoid burning and fry it until nice aroma comes from rava. See, rava color also changed. Now take it in a plate. Add sugar as per sweetness. Mix everything. Now add cardamom powder. For this take 2 teaspoons of sugar and 4 to 5 whole cardamom. Make a powder in a mixer. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee, then add cashew. Fry it for few seconds. Now add raisins or dry grapes into it. Mix it well. Fry them till it changes to brown. Now take them out. Add them in a mixture. Mix with all. Now add warm milk and mix it well. You can see the mixture is wet. Mix once and make a ladoo as shown here. You can see how nicely it is came. Now make all ladoos like this. It's done. So here is our crunchy, tasty, delicious sweet rava ladoo or suji ladoo. It's ready. Isn't it simple recipe? So try it and make your day more special on Ganesh Chaturthi. And once again wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. If you liked our recipe, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.